Welcome everyone to the ADP Center for Learning Technologies short series on gamification and gamified learning. Today we're going to look at a platform named Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a fun gamification and annotation platform. It allows educators to annotate fun and informational videos that engage viewers. So to start, one must create an account with the Edpuzzle platform. So once you log in, you'll have to indicate whether you're a teacher or a student. So in order to be a creator, you would click the I'm a teacher option. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. And so once you log in, this is the user display that you'll see. On the left-hand side, you'll see the following toolbar menu. So the first option would be Discover, which allows the user to explore some created video annotations by other users. By clicking the Edpuzzle Originals option, it helps you look at Edpuzzle's originally created content by the platform creators. And then moving on to the My Content option, this is where any of your created content or favorited content will appear. The My Network option is where you can see other professionals or editors who operate in the same platform. And the notification options will also list any notifications that you receive from the platform. And then classes or archived classes would be a set of modules which you happen to favorite or save. So by clicking the Add Content option in the top right-hand corner, regardless of what page you're on, it will give you some options to start annotating your own videos. So if you click Discover Video Content, it allows you to search from a set of either already annotated videos or for you to search from content promoted by your school or YouTube accessible videos. So you can also upload your own videos as well if you have a file for it. Or if you'd like to record your own video, it does require the Edpuzzle Chrome extension, which we do have a video covering some functionality of Chrome extensions in relation to the Google Workspace. So feel free to check that on our page as well. So by choosing Discover Video Content and then clicking a video that fits what you're looking for, so in this example, we'll choose 13 types of students in every health class. As you do this, you can decide to either assign the video to a class, you can either copy the video, or you can edit the video, which allows you to add a set of annotations, questions, such as multiple choice or open-ended, or you could put a note for the viewers to draw their attention to. So there are some fun ways in which you can annotate these videos indexed to your specific subject matter or lesson plan, and then assign it as a class to participants. So once you click Finish, it will save the annotated form of your video and any questions that you've included, and you can then assign it to people, or you can share, duplicate it, move it to a folder, or put it in a playlist, and then you can share a publicly accessible link. So this is a fun way for you to incorporate YouTube videos and a platform in which many of your students or participants may already utilize in their free time, so you can begin to engage them in your subject matter through this platform. Now, if you do have any questions or would like more individualized help in regards to this platform or any other forms of gamification that we've covered or any of our other workshops, please feel free to schedule an appointment with us at adpcenter.org, where you can click Schedule an Appointment and book with either myself or one of our team members. Or if you'd like to email us, you can email at adpcenter@montclair.edu any of your questions or to try to set up an individual session. So thank you very much for attending this workshop. We look forward to having you at our future ones, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.